Are you alright?
Save me!
What happened?
I can't hit my sales targets.
What?
What? Well, lady, that's not really our area of expertise. You should be talking with Eric Feng.
No? Are you guys the superheroes? You protect the world, save the innocent, and help me hit my sales targets, please?
Guys, I think she's right. Like, I think we can teach her a thing or two on how to hit a sales target.
Oh.
Well, by showing her how to be a badass superhero to her
What's
customers.
your language, son?
Oh, sorry. But can I continue? Take me for example. My fans love me because they can always count on me to save the day. So just do the same for your customers, right? Anticipate a problem and have a solution on standby.
So, how about you, man? Metal man? What advice do you have for this man?
My fans love me because I'm positively surprising, and there is never a dull moment when they hang out with me. If you want to hit your sales target, you gotta give them an experience that they can't buy. You got to connect with them emotionally, surprise them, do fun things together, and have a great time.
Whoa! Are you alright, man?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's not just about the razzle and dazzle. Call me old-fashioned, man, but if you want to hit your sales target, you gotta be a somebody that your customers can trust 110%. Do not be a slave to your commissions. Instead, be a superhero to your customers. When you make your customers your number one priority, they will in turn make you the number one salesperson in the country.
Oh, I think I know how to be a superhero to my customers. Be fast to respond, quick to deliver. Give them an emotional experience that money can't buy. And most importantly, be somebody that my customers can always trust and count on. Thank you, boys. Let's kick some ass.
What's your language, babe? I mean, ma'am.
Hey you! Yes, you. Thank you for watching this video. Like you, we're all excited about Avengers 3 Infinity War.
We hope you'll get a tip or two to be a superhero to your customers.
Remember, if you like it, give it a like. Better yet, share it.
And most importantly, we have prepared 5 pair of tickets to Avengers 3 Infinity War to 5 lucky winners. All you got to do, leave us a comment, tell us whose advice you like the most, and you may be that one lucky winner. Let's go!